Crazy dog.
It's just a mirror. Baby, get out of here.
Whose shoe is that? Senna! Whose shoe did you steal? That's my shoe. That's your shoe? Yeah. Well, you just stole it.
I'll be sharing my love of doing voices in unusual places. And all of the voices you are gonna Hands off!
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him.
I love you.